Today marks a very special occasion, the groundbreaking ceremony of Jamal family. On behalf of the Jamal family and the entire team of Homex, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you. We're not just here to mark the beginning of construction. We're here to celebrate the exciting journey ahead. This groundbreaking ceremony represents the start of a dream becoming a reality, thanks to the hard work, dedication, and collaboration of the Jamal family and the entire Homex team. Building a home is more than laying down foundations. It's about vision, commitment, and trust. The Jamal family's passion, combined with the expertise and determination of our team, has brought us to this moment. Thank you to the Jamal family for trusting Homex, and to everyone who has contributed to making this dream come true. Here's to the exciting journey ahead.
I really wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart sa pagiging instrument ninyo na magkaroon kami ng aming dream house. And not to forget, syempre, ang aking beloved na yes, siya yung tumupad sa pangarap ko na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. So, kudos to all, to everyone, especially Homex. Thank you so much po talaga. Thank you, Homex.
Homex, trust earned, transparency delivered.